Convert 120 degrees to radian measure. Now, degree and radian measure are proportional, and I know that it's 360 degrees to 2 pi radians, and I'm given 120 degrees, and I don't know how many radians that is, so I'm trying to find out. So I'm going to put x for the number of radians there. Okay, so what I did is I made a proportion because I know that the degree measure and radian measure are proportional. So now all we have to do is solve for x in this proportion, and that'll give the radian measure. So I'll go ahead and cross multiply. 360 x equals 2 pi times 120. Now I'm going to apply the commutative property of multiplication to the right side. 360x equals 2 times 120 times pi. So 360x, and now I'm just going to simplify the right. 2 times 120 is 240, and then pi. Okay, divide both sides by 360. So x equals 240 pi divided by 360. And now it's just a matter of simplifying this fraction. I can simplify by 10. So x equals 24 pi divided by 36. And 6 goes into both 24 and 36, so it's going to be x equals, divide 24 by 6 and get 4. And then divide 36 by 6 and get 6, so 4 pi over 6. And then a 2 goes into the 4 and the 6, so x equals 2 pi over 3. So that is my equivalent radian measure for 120 degrees. Now what if you didn't want to reduce these fractions by hand? What if you wanted to use a calculator? Well, what I would do is I would reduce the 240 and the 360, and just remember that the pi stays in the numerator after. So I would do 240 divided by 360. And there's my repeating decimal, and I really want it in fraction form, so I'll convert it. Math 1 is how you do it on this calculator. 2/3. Okay, so that tells me I have 2/3, and I would have to have 2 pi over 3, because it would be 2/3 times pi when you reduce the 240 by 360. When you reduce the fraction 240 and 360, that's what you get as 2/3. So you can reduce by hand the way I did, or you can use a calculator. Either way you want the fraction answer, not the decimal, because the fraction is the exact radian measure, 2 pi over 3 or 2/3 pi.